Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi Triton GLS single cab ute, stock reference number 4952. This shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It is a 4D56 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine, backed by an automatic rear wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Not much has survived on this vehicle at all. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.